Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're turning our spotlight toward one of the most value-packed compact SUVs on the market, the Nissan Magnite. Designed to combine bold styling, efficiency, and modern tech, the Magnite has become a popular choice for city drivers and adventure enthusiasts alike. The 2025 model continues to build on Nissan's promise of affordable innovation. Let's take a closer look at what makes the new Magnite stand out in the compact SUV crowd. Design and aesthetics. The Nissan Magnite's design is a blend of sportiness and sophistication. Its wide stance, sleek LED headlights, and signature V-motion grille give it a bold road presence. The sculpted body lines, contrasting roof options, and stylish 16-inch alloy wheels add to its dynamic personality. Inside, the cabin is surprisingly spacious for its size, featuring premium materials, chrome accents, and ergonomic design that enhance both comfort and visual appeal. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the Magnite offers two engine options, a 1.0-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine and a 1.0-liter turbocharged unit for those seeking extra power. The engines are paired with either a 5-speed manual or an advanced CVT automatic transmission, providing a smooth and efficient drive. The lightweight construction and tuned suspension make the Magnite agile in city traffic and stable on highways. With impressive fuel efficiency and solid performance, it delivers the perfect balance of fun and practicality. Safety and technology. The Magnite comes equipped with modern safety and convenience features that go beyond expectations for its class. It includes dual airbags, ABS with EBD, vehicle dynamic control, and hill start assist. The 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, while the 7-inch digital instrument cluster adds a futuristic touch. Higher variants also feature a 360-degree around-view monitor and a tire pressure monitoring system for added confidence. Conclusion. The Nissan Magnite stands as one of the smartest and most affordable compact SUVs in today's market. With its bold styling, efficient powertrains, and premium features, it offers outstanding value for money. Whether you're tackling daily commutes or weekend getaways, the Magnite ensures a confident, comfortable, and connected driving experience. Stay tuned to Highway Legends for more exciting reviews and first looks at the rides redefining the road.